Good morning, ma. In today's class, we will see how to balance the redox reaction in basic medium. Okay. In previous class, we have seen three examples. How we are going to balance the redox reactions in acidic medium. Three examples clearly we have seen. Okay. Simple. That rule correctly if you remember. Okay. How we have to balance first. Which one we have to balance first? After that oxygen, after that hydrogen. Like that order as well as what we have to do for acidic medium. Correctly if you remember that one, after that number of electrons we have to make equal. All these correctly method wise, logic wise, if you go through easily, final equation you will get exactly correct equation, balanced with every charge as well as matter, means particles. Okay, ma? In today's class we will see in what way we are going to balance the redox reaction in basic medium also. Okay, shall we start that one? Let us see one equation example directly. After that, we will go through further process, ma. Okay, ma? MnO4 minus aqueous plus I minus aqueous gives rise to MnO2 solid plus I2 solid. This equation we have to balance in basic medium. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 solid plus I2 solid. This equation is called redox reaction only. Okay, this equation we have to balance in basic medium. How we are going to balance in basic medium? Let us see. First, same like acidic medium. Everything is same only. Only one thing, one step is different. Coming with basic medium. Okay, first write the oxidation numbers. Manganese plus 7, oxygen minus 2, iodine minus 1, because it has minus 1 charge. That's why same minus 1 I wrote here. Coming with MnO2, basic medium heading. Write the heading balancing of redox reactions in basic medium. Balancing of redox reactions in basic medium. Okay, now next, coming with here, manganese plus 4 in MnO2, because x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4. You understood how to calculate oxidation number, try to find that one. Okay, oxygen minus 2, iodine in elementary state this is 0. Iodine in elementary state 0. Now change in oxidation number, observe here, manganese is changing from plus 7 to plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4, decrease in oxidation number, that is called reduction. Oxygen minus 2, same, that is called spectator ion. Iodine, it is changing from minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 means increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Okay, next we have to split this entire equation into two parts. Reduction and oxidation. Left side I wrote oxidation, right side I wrote reduction. Which is oxidation reaction? I minus changed to I2. I minus changed to I2. This is oxidation. Coming to reduction, MnO4 minus is changed to MnO2. That is undergoing reduction. Okay, first we need to balance oxidation reaction with charge also. Okay, now iodine is there. Except oxygen and hydrogen, other elements must be balanced. Here iodine is there. It is not balanced. Here one iodine, here two iodines are there. So first step, we are going to balance iodine. 2I minus gives rise to I2. 2I minus gives rise to I2. After that, it is balanced equation. No oxygens are there, no hydrogens are present. Correct, ma? Then we need to balance the charge. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, this is 0. Charge is not balanced. Minus 2, 0. Electrons must be added. How many? Here 2, here 0. 2 electrons must be added. Those are also right side. Then minus 2 will be added that side and balancing of the equation will be happen. Then 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. Otherwise, this is oxidation. For oxidation, right side we have to write the electrons. For reduction, left side we have to write the electrons. Because losing of electrons, this is gaining of electrons. Okay, ma? Now we will go to this one, reduction. Oxidation reaction is balanced with charge also. If you want, check that one. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Here 0 minus 2. Minus 2 balanced. Next, coming to reduction reaction. Except oxygen and hydrogen, we need to balance other elements. Manganese. Here also manganese. It is balanced only because one manganese atom is there. Here also one manganese. So first manganese is balanced. Next we have to balance oxygen. Correct? Same order. In acidic medium, what is the order we are following? Same order here also we are following. First manganese is balanced. After that oxygen. This is step which is very this is the important step. Observe. Left side, how many oxygens we have? 4 oxygens. Right side, how many oxygens we have? 2 oxygens. We need to balance oxygen. On which side we have to add oxygens? Right side. How many? Difference 2. Here 4, here 2 we have. How many oxygens must be added on right side? 2 oxygens must be added on right side. So we are adding that many water molecules. This step is also common now. We are adding 2 water molecules on right side. Then this equation will become MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2 plus 2H2O. MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2 plus 2H2O. Now check that number of oxygens. Left side 4 oxygens are there. Right side 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens are there. Okay, clear. Now coming to hydrogens. This is the different step when compared to acidic medium. Okay, let us come to this point. Next we have to balance the number of hydrogens. How many hydrogens must be balanced? 4 hydrogens. See, left side 0 hydrogens, right side 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens. Correct, ma? On which side we have to balance the hydrogens? Left side. How many hydrogens we have to balance? 4 hydrogens. That many water molecules at this side. That many water molecules at this side. In the same step, same number of OH minus ions must be added right side. Same number of OH minus ions must be added right side. I will write the step, then once again I will explain. Let us see. MnO4 minus plus. Here how many hydrogens difference? 2 to the 4 hydrogens difference. That 4 hydrogens are deficient on left side. That many water molecules plus 4 H2O. That many. How many hydrogens must be balanced? That many water molecules. How many hydrogens must be balanced? That many water molecules must be added. Same number of OH minus ions must be added on right side. Then gives rise to MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. 4H2O is added, 4OH minus is added. Both are in opposite sides. On which side we are going to add water? On the opposite side we have to add OH minus. On the opposite side we have to add OH minus. Once again, up to this, is it clear? Number of oxygens are balanced. After that, to balance the hydrogen, First we need to check how many hydrogens must be balanced. First we need to check how many hydrogens must be balanced. Here 4 are there, here 0. So 4 hydrogens must be balanced. When we are going to balance this one, 4 hydrogens, how many number? 4. That many water molecules must be added on hydrogen deficient side. 4 water molecules must be added on hydrogen deficient side. Same number of OH minus ions must be added on opposite side. Now check that one. 4 oxygens. 4 oxygens. Totally 8 1. 2. 2. 4. 2 to 4, 8 oxygens. Next. Hydrogens. 4 into 2. 8 hydrogens. 2 into 2. 4 plus 4. 8 hydrogens. Balanced. Manganese. 1. Here also 1. Balanced. Everything is balanced. This is the crucial step. Little bit confusion might be here. Now to avoid the confusion, only one thing. On which side more number of hydrogens are there? That is also how many number of hydrogens are more. Here 4 hydrogens are more. Here 0. So we have to balance that hydrogens now. That how many hydrogens we have to add, that many water molecules we have to add on left side. How many hydrogens we have to balance? 4 hydrogens ma. That many water molecules we have to add on left side, hydrogen deficient side. Same number of OH minus ions on opposite side. On which side we are adding that water? On the opposite side we have to add OH minus ions. Now we have to check with charge. One more example we will do. At that time it will be more clear. Okay? Observe the clear steps all of you. Okay ma? Now coming to charge. Here 1 M1O4 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 left side. Right side minus 4 is there. Left side minus 1, right side minus 4. We have to add electrons on left side. Then 3 electrons must be added. Difference 3. If you add 3 electrons, charge wise also it is balanced. Okay ma? Write the final equation. MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 3 electrons gives rise to MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. Okay, here we have 3 electrons, here we have 2 electrons. Same method. This equation we have to multiply with 3, this equation we have to multiply with 2. Then we will get 6 electrons on both sides. By multiplying I am going to write the at a time equation 1, equation 2. Before that observe the 2 equations. Okay, see. Okay, let's see how we are going to write this after multiplication. Okay. This equation must be multiplied by 3. This equation must be multiplied by 2. Then 6i minus gives rise to 3i2 plus 6 electrons. This one equation 1. Next, coming to this one. With should be multiplied by 2 only. 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O plus 8OH minus. This is equation 2. Okay, we are going to add this equation 1 and equation 2, and we are going to get final balanced equation. Okay, see all of you. While we are balancing means while we are adding 6 electrons got cancelled. Now 2 MnO4 minus plus 6i minus plus 8H2O left side gives rise to 2 MnO2 plus 3i2 plus 4H2O plus 8OH minus. After writing final equation, we have water molecules common. Then we can reduce that water molecules also. Here we have 8 water molecules. Here we have 4 water molecules. If you send here, it will become minus. Then final equation it will become 2MnO4 minus plus 6I minus plus 4H2O gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 8OH minus. This is the final equation which we got balanced chemical equation. Definitely is balanced. If you want, check that one. 2 manganese, 2 fours are 8 oxygens plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12 oxygens. 12 ma? 2 twos are 4 plus 8, 12 oxygens. Next I, 6. 3 twos are 6. Hydrogens. 4 twos are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 hydrogens. Everything is balanced. Charge. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 6. Total minus 8. Right side. This is neutral. This is also neutral. 8 into minus 1. Minus 8. Charge wise also it is balanced. Okay. In this way we have to balance the basic medium redox reaction. One more example we will see. Okay, na? You will be getting more clear. Let us see that one. Na? Before that, note down. We will go for next equation. No? Just 1 second. All are given in acidic medium only. Just 1 minute, ma. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. Now only we have done. That is nothing but basic redox reaction in basic medium only. Okay, now let us see. P4 solid plus OH minus gives rise to PH3 plus HPO2 minus. This is the equation we have to balance in basic medium. Okay, let us see how we are going to balance this one in basic medium. First, we have to write the oxidation number 0, oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1. Here phosphorus minus 3, hydrogen plus 1, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, x minus 3 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 2, phosphorus plus 2. Okay, these are the representation of oxidation numbers in the given equation. Now we have to represent which one is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. Phosphorus from 0 to minus 3 undergoing reduction. Phosphorus from 0 to plus 2 undergoing oxidation. Same phosphorus is undergoing oxidation reduction, disproportionation reaction. This is example for disproportionation. Sir, how can we balance? Easy, no problem. Split the equation into two parts. Left side oxidation half reaction, right side reduction half reaction. Okay, man. What is the 2 times we can write, no problem. OH minus is there, na? This OH minus finally we will get, not a problem. These are all spectator ions, H and O, these are all spectator ions. Then first oxidation, P4 is changed to HPO2 minus. Reduction, same P4 is changed to PH3. Is it correct, no? P4 is changed to HPO2 minus, P4 is changed to PH3. Both I took. Finally we will add, no problem at all. Now first, except hydrogen and oxygen, we have to balance phosphorus. How many phosphorus are there? Left side 4, right side 1. Then P4 is equal to, gives rise to 4HPO2 minus. 4HPO2 minus. After writing this number of phosphorus balanced, next oxygen. First other elements, next oxygen. To balance the oxygen, 4 2s are 8 oxygens are there. Left side 0 oxygens. That many water molecules must be added on left side. Then P4 plus 8H2O gives rise to 4HPO2 minus. Oxygens are balanced. Now next step, hydrogens. See, 8 2s are 16. Here 4. Right side, how many hydrogens are deficient? 12 hydrogens are deficient. That many water molecules must be added on right side. Same number of OH minus ions must be added on left side. So P4 plus 8H2O plus 12 OH minus gives rise to 4HPO2 minus plus 12 H2O. See once again, 8 2s are 16 hydrogens. Here 4 hydrogens are there. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 hydrogens must be balanced on right side. On which side we have to balance the hydrogens? That side we have to add water molecules. How many hydrogens must be balanced? 12. That many water molecules must be added. Same number of OH minus ions must be added on opposite side. It is not fixed on left or right. According to number of hydrogen deficiency, right side hydrogens deficiency. On that side we have to add water molecules. How many hydrogens are deficient? 12. That many water molecules must be added. On opposite side we have to add 12 OH minus. Now if you want, check that one. It is balanced. P4, 4 phosphorus. Hydrogens, 8 2s are 16 plus 12, 28. 4 hydrogens plus 24, 28. Oxygens, 8 1s are 8 plus 12, 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 12, 20. Balanced. Now charge. Left side, what is the charge? Minus 12. Right side, minus 4. Difference 8. 8 electrons must be added on right side. Because this is oxidation, 8 electrons must be added on right side. Then this equation will become P4 plus 8H2O plus 12OH minus gives rise to 4HPO2 minus plus 12H2O plus 8 electrons more. I added 8 electrons on right side. Now balanced with charges also. Coming to right side, P4 gives rise to pH3. First phosphorus must be balanced. P4 gives rise to 4 pH3. After that, oxygens are not there. Correct? Then we have to balance hydrogens. 4 3s are 12. Left side, hydrogens are not there. We have to balance on left side now. That many water molecules must be added. P4 plus 12H2O gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12OH minus. How many water molecules are added? On the opposite side, that many OH minus ions must be added. Now check that one. P4, 4p. Hydrogens 12 2s are 24. 4 3s are 12 plus 12, 24. 12 1s are 12, oxygens. 12 1s are 12, balanced. Okay, charge. Left side 0, right side minus 12. Left side 0, right side minus 12. Then we have to add electrons on left side. This is reduction, 12 electrons must be added on left side. Then this one will be P4 plus 12H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12 OH minus. In this side we have 8 electrons. Here we have 12 electrons. If you multiply this one with 3, 8 3s are 24. This one with 2, 12 2s are 24. Anyways, we have to get same number of electrons. Okay, let us see now. This equation must be multiplied with 3. This equation must be multiplied with 2. Okay, now note down first neatly. Then this equation will become, after multiplying with 3p4 plus 24H2O plus 36OH minus gives rise to 12HPO2 minus plus 36H2O plus 24 electrons. We have multiplied with 3 more. This equation must be multiplied by 2. This is equation 1. Okay. Equation 2. 2p4 plus 24H2O plus 24 electrons gives rise to 8pH3 plus 24 OH minus. We have to add these two. While we are adding 24 electrons got cancelled. Okay, next 24 H2O, 36 H2O. Here 12 H2O. Here itself I am doing the calculation also. Here 36 OH minus, here 24 OH minus, right side. If this comes this side, minus 36 minus 24, 12 OH minus. Okay. Again 24 H2O, that side 12 H2O. Cancel. Now it will become 12 H2O left side. Okay, ma. Now I am going to write final equation. 3 plus 2, 5p4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 OH minus gives rise to 8 pH3 plus 12 HPO2 minus over. Now check that one whether it is balanced or not. 5 4s are 20 phosphorus, 8 1s are 8 plus 12, 20 phosphorus. 12 2s are 24 plus 12, 36 hydrogens. 8 3s are 24 plus 12, 36 hydrogens. Oxygens, 12 1s are 12 plus 12, 24. 12 2s are 24. Everything is balanced. Charge left side 12 into minus 1 minus 12, 12 into minus 1 minus 12 over. Charge wise also it is balanced. This is the balanced equation for the given equation. 5p4 plus 12h2o plus 12OH minus gives rise to 8pH3 plus 12HPO2 minus. Okay. So today we completed two basic equations. In next class we will go for one more basic equation. By that, redox reactions balancing and basic equation also will be completed. Basic medium also. Acidic medium already completed. Basic medium. Next we will go for oxidation number method. In that only one example is there. That one I will explain. That is enough. There is no particular rule for oxidation number method. By next class, this balancing everything is getting over. Okay, after that any topic is there, we will see. Okay, by 1 or 2 classes we will complete this chapter. Okay, that is about today's class. I hope you are clear how to balance the redox reaction in basic medium also. Okay, thank you. That is about today's class. Thank you, Thank you all. Have a nice day.